In this video, we're going to use AI as an instructional designer once again. So this goes along with several different videos that I've been making where we use the power of the AI to assist us as we develop our course, as we modify our course, redesign our course. So it's a very powerful tool that we can use for instructional design. Again, it's great to have an awesome instructional designer. I've worked with many in the past, and it's awesome to have them as a resource, but we might not always have access to them. Different universities have different amounts of instructional designers. So it's great to know and to realize that AI, like ChatGPT, is a powerful tool that we can use as an instructional designer that's with us 24/7, that's available to us. So that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to use it specifically to help us in the development of a hands-on learning activity within the course. So this is going to be a formative assessment, a formative, not necessarily assessment, but a formative process that we're going through in the learning for the student. So here we come up with a couple of different ideas and possibilities. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring up my AI interface, my ChatGPT interface. And again, I'm just using the free one, so this is what we all have access to. I'm going to go in and I'm going to put in a prompt, and then we'll go from there. So from here, my interface, I'm simply going to put in my prompt. So in this scenario here, I'm going to tell it, assuming the role of a professor and based on the apply level of Bloom's revised taxonomy, what would be some great hands-on learning activities that would help students learn about business ethics in a university business management course? It's really important to see here in the prompt that I'm giving it a specific task because I'm wanting it to give me some great hands-on learning activities. I'm giving it specific instructions in that I'm telling it that, hey, this needs to be at the apply level of Bloom's revised taxonomy, and the specific course that this is going to be used for, business management course, the level, it's a university, and then the specific topic about business ethics. I'm also giving it reasons in that, hey, I want some good hands-on learning activities in order to help my students learn. So again, the reasons. And then again, this is a conversation, so we can have continuous clarification that goes along with it, so I can refine my prompt. So when I put this into ChatGPT, the response that I get, again, very quick, it goes through and it gives me lots of great possibilities. Things like case study, role-playing, ethics, game simulation, debate, deliberation, ethics code conduct, all sorts of things such as, reflective journals, field visits, designing ethical training programs, audits and assessments, guest speakers. So lots of great things. Again, this is 10 that it gives me, but I could ask it for more. Why? Because this is a conversation, so I can continually go back with it. So looking at this, I see role-playing scenario, and it gives me some quick little instructions here about what I could do. So I really like that because I really like role-playing within any instruction that I give. So in this scenario, I'm going to say, hey, I really like this, so I can go in deeper. And I don't have to re-explain myself in the follow-on prompt because, again, this is a conversation within the same chat conversation. So I can give it more instructions. I can say, oh, okay, this is what I want to do. I want to do the role-playing scenario. Give me a specific outline of how to do this with 25 students within a 50-minute class. From there, it'll go through and it'll say, sure, here you go. Here's the objective. Here's the materials that you're going to need. Preparation, this is what you're going to do. And now it's giving me the actual activity steps that I need to do. Along with those activity steps, it's giving me the specific times of what I need. Hey, this is going to take 5 minutes. This is going to take 3 minutes. The role playing, 12 minutes, active role playing, 15 minutes, debrief, reflection. Wow, so much possibilities. I could go in deeper. I could ask it for modifications. I could work with it. So there's lots going on here. As you can see, this is a really powerful tool, especially in that I've just taken something that perhaps in the past I've only lectured upon. I've only lectured upon this topic, but now instantly, within a few seconds, I've been able to take something, redesign it, and now I have step-by-step instructions, exact timeline on how I can do this specifically for my class, for the specifics of my class. 25 students, how much time do I have? 50 minutes. So I've given all that to the AI, and working with it as an instructional designer, it's been able to give me a specific action steps of what I can do in order to make this class now more dynamic, more engaging for the student so that they can learn. And again, this isn't fully complete, right? I like to think that it is, but I still need to critically analyze. I need to go through it, review it, think about it, and then see, is this properly aligned with the rest of my course? Is this properly aligned with my student learning objectives? And then I need to go through and test it and implement it. And from there, continue to revise, because again, it's an ongoing process. But you can see how powerful this is, and that it only took me literally a few seconds to take something that I've done in the past and now make it so much more dynamic. So the idea here is that through AI, we can revolutionize our education, our instruction. We can make it so much better, so much more motivational and impactful. So definitely keep this in mind with everything that we do within our instruction, and that now we have this instructional designer that can help us to become a better instructor, become a better educational experience for the students. Again, not just for them, but for us as well, as we make this so much more dynamic. And again, wherever possible, we're thinking about AI literacy, so we can include that as well within the process. And remember, learning is for life.